Hello to all the viewers who are watching this video. This video is about English idiom that you've been hearing all of your life, but sometimes you don't know the meaning. One word is get alive, means mind your own business. Like if someone gets annoyed by your words or your deeds or your actions, then they might say to you, get alive, man, means have your own work. Number two, hold your horses, mean be patient, have some patience. Next is call it a day, means stop working for now. Like if you're tired of something, then you can say, let's call it a day, I'm done. Next is we'll cross the bridge when it comes to it, means we'll handle the situation when the time comes. Like if someone's threatening you by saying that, what if your dad gets to know about it? Then you can say, I'll cross the bridge when I come to it, right? Number five is down to earth. It means very modest or very practical. Like if someone says to you or someone tells you that you're very modest, that means they are praising you. So just be happy to know about it, okay? Number six is face the music. It means to handle the situation, a difficult situation that somehow created by your own. So on that time someone says to you, face the music, means they are saying handle the situation that you've created. Next is in hot water, means in difficult time. How you can use it, you can say that nobody had helped me when I was in hot water. May you be not ever. Okay, next is no pain, no gain. The very famous idiom means hard work brings success. Like you have to give your best, you have to be in pain to get something, right? Next is under the weather, means you are sick. Like I'm under the weather, I want to go to the party. I'm under the weather, I don't want to go for shopping, something like that. So that's called under the weather. Number 10 is go the extra mile, means to do more than expected. I have to go an extra mile and finish this task, right? That's how you can use it. And last is out of blue, means suddenly. Like you can say out of blue, he started talking about him and I can't help it. I couldn't help it, right? That's how you use the word. One lesson that I have learned in my life, that I've been learning, still learning, is that only by talking this language you will command on it. I am not this much better by making these videos. I am getting better every single day. So just talk. Don't bring the hesitation into your way of talking in English, because you are not a person who born with it. You are a person who learns this and you have a great mind. So just talk. This is a very important message I want to tell you. Goodbye.